how to fix Steam overlay not working. So first, the first thing that you can do is just go to Steam here on the top left corner, then just click on settings. Once you're there, just simply go to in-game and make sure that enable the Steam overlay while in-game is turned on right here, and just know what the shortcut key is. So mine is shift tab, so yours might be different if it was accidentally changed, but that's basically it. Now once you go back and it still doesn't work, what you can do now is just simply go to your library and go to the game that the overlay is not working. So right click on it and click on properties. Once you're there, just go to general and make sure that the enable the Steam overlay while in game is turned on also. And once that's done, just close out of Steam. If it's still not working, just close out of Steam and go to the tray bar right here and just right click on Steam and click on exit Steam so that we could fully exit Steam. And just wait for it to exit out. And once it's done, we're gonna open up Steam again, but this time just right click on Steam and click on run as administrator. Then just click on yes. Now just wait for Steam to load. And here Steam loaded again, so we're just gonna log in first. Now just try opening up a game, and that should basically do the trick, and that should fix the Steam overlay not working.